So I said that I would do a build after everything is printed. So let's go ahead and do this. So we're going to take the actual clamping part of it that's going to clamp onto whatever desk, shelving, whatever you want to clamp it on. Take this, one of these, the longer screws, the 5/16. You're going to take, I use this one. I don't know. Anybody can use whatever they want, I guess. But we're going to go ahead and put this in here. We're going to grab one of the 5/16 nuts here, screw it on all the way to the top. This is going to keep the top tight so you're not slipping down all the time. You can tighten it down with a wrench or whatever. I'm not going to do that. And then we're going to put in here. So inside here, there's the hex. Go ahead and shove another 5/16 nut in there. Screw it in. I'm not going to screw it in all the way, but screw it in right here, roughly. That works just like that. This piece here that you're going to need to print is going to go on here, and that's going to squish up against whatever you're going to, or clamp, whatever you put it on. Okay, but for right now, we're going to take this out. And then we are going to grab this piece here. Okay. This piece is going to go like this. So we'll take the smaller 5/16, the shorter one, and we're going to put it in here. Like that. Okay. There is no hex in here because it's got 4 around, and you can hand tighten it. I'm going to use the smaller of them for that, so I have more movement. I'm going to take another 5/16 nut, put it inside, and it's going to go on this way, like this. I'm going to go ahead and screw that on here. Okay, so I'm going to make it tighter and thing, but this goes like this, like that. It's really tight. Yep, just like that. Alright, so we got that. Now, I'm going to take the longer of them and put it in here. Okay? Take another 5/16 in here. Head should lock into the hex. So, we're going to take a big one. These big ones. We're going to put another nut in there, put it over, and we're going to screw it down. Just like that. Okay. So you get it all screwed down. Moves this moves. Okay. Now, we're going to do the next piece. I'm going to do my choice, whatever the second largest one is. I'll put it here. Okay. Take another 5/16, longer one. Put it on there. Flip it over. And we're going to do another one of the bigger ones. You can use whatever size you want. I just choose this because the bigger ones give me more turning power. It's a faster turn than screwing. Smaller one. And like that. There we go. I'm going to take the next one that I chose here and put it in here. Again, another 5/16, the larger one. We're going to set it in here. We're going to take another big one. Yeah, somebody's trying to call me. Alright. we're gonna set the hex in there. We're gonna use this one, the lighter one. Should get the right size. Screw it in. Okay. Now it's for this one. So this is going to be your in here, like so. Flip it around. Hex again. Okay. Look the other way. Put another one, another big one. You gotta screw it in. Like that. Then you got a swivel here. And then we're gonna put one so you can have a swivel here. That's when this comes into play. Here, this piece. Make sure it's a small hole here, large hole here, large hole goes in here into this section. And you can see hex is right here. Another large screw, nut. You take a nut. And use the medium-sized nut here. Yeah. And we're gonna screw it in. I'm using the medium size because, like I said before, it's better turning power, but yet I still have room to move around. Okay, just like that. And then for the camera mount, this, the bigger one on the bottom. So this, okay, and then you'll take a smaller one. We're actually going to skip the step. Take one of these spring washers there, and then we're going to take two and put them on the other side, just because the bolt that I had was too long. And then we're going to screw them together like this here, like that. Now you can have your modular arm.